What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. Today we're going to help try to prevent another window well from flooding. So let's get right into it. All right, well, thankfully right now he says the water has never gotten into the basement or anything, so that's a good thing. But everything gets trapped up in here and there's just nowhere to take it, as you can see. But he also had plastic down here, so it wasn't letting any of the water drain into the ground. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove all this rock, move everything over. We're going to take away all the plastic. We're going to go ahead and dig a trench down in here to try to make a mini dry well away from the window well. Take all that extra dirt, put the dirt against the window well, everything going over here. Go ahead and put some plastic going on the side as well, just to help try to keep it all bermed and coming this way. And then he's going to go ahead and get some silicone caulk and some Flex Seal or something, so that way we can have it waterproofed bead going all the way down on each side, just to help keep everything out of the area. So let's get started. All right, now step 2, we already got all the rock out. I went over to the corner and I have the 6 mil plastic. There's a little border going all the way around. Got it going all the way to corner, and an extra piece on the side to try to help make sure everything's deflected away. Try to take my sledgehammer and bang the window well a little straighter, so that way it'll be easier to caulk, hopefully. And now starting to dig a little mini French drain / dry well on the outside, so that way the water can have somewhere to deflect to. All right, and here we go. Now we have dug the mini dry well to the side. We took all that dirt and then built up in here now. So now there used to be a big void there where all the water would collect, plus the plastic. But now there's not. Now I have all this higher than the asphalt over here. So if this maxes out, it should just sit here and then keep trying to push around the house to go down to the street. So let's continue on. All right, now we got the whole filter cloth. Got a bunch of pipe in there just to help create some bigger voids in there. It's just something to be able to hold more water in there. And then we got some gray stone in there just to help filtrate everything to get to all the pipe. And then we're gonna backfill all the rest of the rock with the bigger stone on there, so that way it'll all still look uniformed and create a purpose. And then, as you can see, the hole and everything is literally 4 or 5 inches deeper than all the surrounding area now. So now all the water that does build up in here is going to stay here, build up, and continuously move on and drain into the ground. Now to finish it off. And here we go. We'll go ahead and simulate some water going down. See how a lot of it, when it's traveling down, it does bypass the trench, keep going down, keep going forward. So then it all starts building over here in this corner. So when it builds up in this corner, then it's going to flow back into the mini dry well, build all this up, and this is just going to be collecting surface water, everything to help prevent water from going inside the window well. So he went and bought this just because, precautionary tale, because it's supposed to storm really bad tonight, so to see how it is. So it's always better to be safe than sorry. So now, see what all happens. This should be able to hold a lot of it, and as it's trying to build up, it's also recharging back into the ground. That's exactly how you help eliminate water from flooding your window well, yard, basement, crawl, anything with a mini dry well. That's another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.